My name is Angie Baer. I teach science and Bible classes with My Fun Science, and I've always done my best learning by doing. So reading and gaining information is really useful, but when I'm actually able to engage with the subject in an immersive way, I have experience that just sticks with me and I remember things. And high school science can be pretty intimidating. In fact, in my high school biology class, I had two lab partners that were these big football players, and even they were intimidated by the labs. So, guess who had to do all the dissections? Practicing and repetition is really the key to gaining confidence to overcome that science intimidation. So, in my class, Science Lab Explorations, we're going to take a full year to do some hands-on, just some great labs that are designed to help middle school students be prepared and ready for doing high school level science. So we're going to practice lab activities, gain confidence in writing lab reports, and we're going to cover the basics of biology, chemistry, and physics. And as we perform these lab activities together during the live class, we're going to unpack what we did, and then we're going to craft informative lab reports. Students are going to use like critical thinking skills. They're going to be observing, measuring, recording their results, and doing scientific method that helps them to actually become confident. So from dissections to chemical reactions or just watching the laws of motion and action, students will experience science in an energetic and creative way while establishing a foundation for their future science courses. I'm looking forward to teaching this class with some great hands-on fun science.